My name's Jane Patrickson. I'm a practice nurse working in Bradford. I'm also the nurse lead for the self-care and prevention team for the Bradford CCGs. Evergreen is an app that allows patients to access their medical record online. They can make appointments or they can order their repeat prescriptions. What Evergreen is doing that is different is they're also bringing in a new functionality that people in the district can access community groups and services, which we can link with any health conditions. And so what we're hoping it will do is help people manage their conditions and allow them to self-care.
Because at the moment you can order prescriptions online, there's already a system in this, but this is going to be more an app on your phone.
That's right, yeah. It's very user-friendly. And because it's on your phone, it's easier to use. And as we said earlier, with the extra functionality, there's other things that we can do. So, for example, if somebody has a COPD, which is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, one of the best things that they can do is actually singing groups, because it helps with their breathing. So if there are local singing groups in their area, we can put them in touch with them and give them details of it. They can go along on their own, but if they did need one-to-one help as well, that's also available.
And one of the things, of course, that many people are worried about these days is there's been a lot around social media and targeted advertising and the way it's used. And, of course, GDPR has come in with the regulations that should protect our data. How can we ensure our data is safe with these new apps?
With any app that allows you to see your record online, they've had to jump through every hoop, really, that there is. NHS Digital, and it's very secure, it's very safe.
So people can be reassured that their data is going to be safe, because obviously this is very, very sensitive data that we're talking about.
Obviously, security is really important. You do need to go to your GP surgery to get a code to link it to your medical record. And to be on the safe side, I would take some ID so that your GP practice knows it's yourself and it's nobody else getting this code for you. But in terms of safety, it's as safe as anything else we've got out there for accessing your online record.
So would you say the aim of this app is to give those added on extras rather than just the pure medical things, the kind of social aspects that can help with health and well-being?
Yeah, there's two sides to it, really. I mean, obviously, if you can book appointments and order your repeat prescriptions without going into your GP surgery, that's taking a little bit of workload off them. But also, if we can signpost you to groups and services that would help either with your well-being or your health conditions, then again, that's a really good service to have as well.
And if people want to know more about this app, where can they find out the information?
They would need to download the Evergreen app, which is available in the App Store or Google Play. Then they would need to go to their GP practice and ask for online services. If they've already got online services, they would still need to just go to the GP and ask for a third-party passphrase. But if they've never had online services before, they just go to the GP practice and ask for that, and they'll be given a letter with the various codes on. And as I say, to be on the safe side, take some ID with you so that they're happy that they're getting the right person asking for the details.
Now, this is still a pilot at the moment, isn't it? Is it just been rolled out in the Bradford area?
No, Evergreen have over, I think, 500,000 users across the UK. What Bradford are piloting is the extra functionality, so the signposting to services, and we've linked with Bradford Council and their database to do that. Yes, there are 3 practices that are piloting it, but anybody can use Evergreen. You can download the app, link it with your GP practice and see everything at the minute. The additional functionality is due around October time. So although the 3 are piloting it, that should be available to everybody quite soon as well.
And will it be fairly straightforward to use?
It's very straightforward to use, and that's me speaking from personal experience. I've downloaded it, linked it with my GP record, I've booked appointments, cancelled appointments, so it's really user-friendly and easy to use.
Obviously there's a bit of piloting going on at the moment, but presumably the aim is if you move GP practice within Bradford or outside of Bradford, that eventually you can just continue. There will be no major problems, presumably?
No, if you move GP practice, it should move with you. That said, if it didn't, you would just literally go into your new GP practice and they would give you a new code. And it is very easy to link your account with Evergreen to your GP practice.
And which practices are actually linked in at the moment?
The ones piloting it there's a practice in Ilkley, Grange Park, there's Avicenna, and there's Westcliff Medical Practice as well. But as I say, they are just trying to get their numbers up in the same way as anybody can go on and download Evergreen. So yes, they're piloting it, but anybody can use it.